Open-ended questions can be a very effective and powerful way to engage students in cognitively. We can design open-ended questions to ask students very simple questions, or we can also design critical questions to engage students in a higher order thinking, and they will be able to develop that skill. So in this lesson, I will show you how to use Mentimeter to set up an open-ended questions. So this is one example of open-ended question which I've set up in Mentimeter, and this is actually the exercise given participants in my workshop recently. So basically, I asked the participants the different ways of how they can use a slideshow in the classroom. And you can actually design these questions to be very simple or to be very complex that would require the students individually or in group to engage in very deep discussion and thinking in order to come up with the answer. So once they have got the answer, they will post the questions to this website and using this code, and the answer will show up here on the screen. Maybe we can give it a try. We go to this website and we put the code Menti, okay, and we need to put a code. I think I've copied the code just now. Yep, and click submit. This is how it is seen on the screen. Ways of using slideshow in the classroom, and the length of the answer is no longer than 140 characters, just like a tweet. So let's say to summarize a topic, then click submit. Then you can see here, this is the answer that I posted just now. So this is actually a very good way of getting all the students or the participants to participate, to engage in thinking, to engage them in discussion. So how do we set up this? It's very simple. Go into your Mentimeter account, then click new presentation and use audience set as audience page and the name of presentation. Ways to use slideshow in the classroom. Just copy this so that I can use this later. Then I click create presentation. Then here under the question type, you can see open-ended. Choose that. Here is the questions. I just paste a question just now. Ways to use slideshow in the classroom. Then for the results layout, you can see the three types and can see how it looks like here. Speech bubbles, that's how it looks like. One by one, which means that the answer from the students or the participant will be shown on screen one by one. So we have to scroll down. Or you can show this as a flowing grid. So if you have like 100 students in the class, so there will be more, all the response cannot fit into one screen, so it will just flow down if you choose a flowing grid. I will choose a speech bubble here, then click present. Okay, so now the students can go to this address and this code, or you can also get either this link and share with the students the link in your learning platform, in your LMS or on your website, or you can also use this link and you can embed it on your learning management system or on your website. But I prefer to use this one because when the students send a response, they can see the answer immediately. So basically that's how you set up the open-ended questions using Mentimeter.